Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on iPhone 12. First, make sure that the cable isn't broken in any way. It is not, so we can go into settings and battery to check if there is a option to turn on the fast charging. We see in here battery health and charging, but it is nowhere, so the fast charging is always on. Then close the phone. Oh my god, which button? Okay, this one. And here we have the charging port. If it's clogged, then clean it, but with non-metallic tools, so use the Q-tip or a wooden stick. And then try another charger, or you can plug in your charger to the other phone to check. And remember to use the original charger. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.